Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
all of you. How are you all today?
How are you, ma'am?
After 2
Ma'am,
days
today,
holidays, we are
ma'am,
meeting you, right?
ma'am, yesterday Kavish's birthday.
Yesterday was Kavish's birthday.
How
Is
many
he
He
present
kept a
now?
party also. Ma'am, he kept a party also. Good morning, ma'am.
Open. Good afternoon, Srikar. Open course book page 15.
Ma'am, I have only one problem in the 14th page.
14th page you have not completed totally.
Ma'am, 12th page, 7th bit I didn't. Ma'am, we have wrote 14th page full, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't
Ma'am, I have only
Those
one
who have
problem
not
in the
completed,
14th
try to complete it fully.
Ma'am, only one I have.
You people are making a lot of disturbance here. What I am saying, you listen first. If anything is left over in page 14, already we have done before in the before classes. So try to complete that page if anybody is having still pending in that. Today we'll go through 15th page. Let us complete that and then we'll go to the word problems. Okay, children. Open page 15, all of you. Yes, tell me, Shanmukapriya.
Ma'am, I didn't do page number 12, 7th bit.
Page number 12, seventh bit is based on capacity. We have not started that topic still. That's why I made you to leave that bit. After we start capacity topic, we'll do that bit.
Okay, ma'am.
Come to page 15. I think A bit you people have completed. Course book page 15. D bit. Question is, subtract the following. Yes, Akshar and
Ma'am,
Yashasvi.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am.
can't see the board.
What about
Yeah,
Akshar?
ma'am.
Nobody?
No, ma'am.
No one can see?
We can
Ma'am, we can
EB
see
pens,
the
pencil.
circle.
Okay. Okay, I'm sharing it.
We can see the circle.
Now can you see?
Now, okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
We can see, ma'am.
Mute yourself.
Okay,
Subtract
ma'am.
the following after converting into grams. Subtract the following after converting into grams. Write the answer in kgs and grams. See, the given values, Shrikar, listen carefully, Shrikar. Could you hear me, Shrikar? Shrikar? What about the other children? Can you hear me? Yashasvi? Okay. He's still talking. Yes, Srikar? I'm calling you. Can you hear me?
No, ma'am.
You cannot hear me?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, no, I can hear you.
Stop talking and listen to the class. Don't get diverted. Subtract the following after converting into grams. See, you have to subtract the given values, but if they are given in kgs, you have to convert that into grams. Like A bit is what actually question is 42 kg, 356 grams, and 17 kg, 607 grams. First, he is asking to convert them into grams. Stop eating, Yashasvi, and listen to the class carefully. 42 kg, 356 grams is there. This one you have to convert totally into grams. Here we all know that 42 kg is equal to how many grams? Here I am doing the rough work, children. 42 kg is equal to how many grams, Shrikar?
Yes, ma'am.
How many grams?
Yes, ma'am.
42 kg is equal to how many grams?
Ma'am, 42 kg is equal to
1 kg is
42,000 grams.
You don't take help of anybody. You should try by yourself. Okay. Tell me 1 kg is equal to how many grams?
1 kg is equal to 1,000 grams.
Okay. Then 42 kg is equal to how many grams?
42,000 grams.
Yes. Remember like that. Okay. Don't forget. 42,000 grams. Here, still more 356 grams is left over. That one you should place under hundreds to ones places like this and add them. How much you will get? 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 3 is 3. 2, 4. Okay. Here, instead of doing all this process, simply you can remember like 42 kg, 356 grams can be written as 42, 356 grams. See, did we get the same answers here and here? Do we get the same thing here and here? That means here instead of adding and all doing like this, you can directly convert the given values. So here is 42 kg 356 grams can be written as 42,356 grams. And now here 17 kg 607 grams can be written as what in grams? Sahasra? Sahasra. Put your spoon aside. Put your spoon aside. And tell me for 17 kg 607 grams can be written as what? Sahasra, I told you to unmute. Ananya, what is the picture you are showing there?
17,607 grams.
Very good. Yes, Ananya, background picture you have kept. Oh. Yes, now let us subtract here. The given values, let us subtract. Both are in grams, right, children? Let us subtract 6 minus 7. Yes, Ananya. Don't get diverted. Here, tell me what is the answer, Ananya? Unmute yourself and tell me the answer. I cannot hear you. You should unmute yourself. No, I could not hear you. Now you unmute once again. No, I can't. Unmute once again. Some changes you made in your settings. So that's the problem is occurring here. No, Ananya? I'm just making you to unmute, but here I am unable to. Yes, Ronav, tell me, Nana. After you subtract, what is the answer you get there? Unmute yourself, Ronav. I can't hear you. Anybody, if you have completed, please just show me. Here, there is a need to take borrow, right? We cannot subtract 7 from 6. So this becomes 16 and this becomes 4. 16 minus 7 is how much, children? 9. And 4 minus 0 is 4. You cannot subtract again 6 from 3. Take borrow. 13 minus 6 is how much, children? 7. And now again take borrow since we cannot subtract 7 from 1. 11 minus 7 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 24,749 grams. But here he is asking this 24,749 grams should be converted again into kgs and grams. Whatever are there in the thousands place will get to you in the kgs place. Like, see, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s place. 24,749. The numbers which are in thousands place are what? 24, right? 24 kg. And what remain? 749 grams. Until you get here 999, you can place the values near grams. If you get more than that, like from 1000 onwards, if you get 1000 grams here in the grams place, then this should be converted to 1 kg and this should be written in the kgs place. Take down all of you. Let's move to the next one. Make it fast, children. We have to do the speed reading test also. I have to conduct that also. Make it fast, children. These borrowing parts and all you people know, right? So I'm erasing here, children. Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. What is the answer you got?
24,749 grams.
So if you convert that into gauges and grams, what is the answer? Tell me,
Number
Ronak. Ronak, tell me. Unmute and tell me.
24 kg, 749 grams.
Very good. Now go to next one, children. You people try by yourself, all of you. Make it fast. B bit. Question is 84 kg, 410 grams minus 36 kg, 216 grams. Should be converted first into grams and then subtract and tell me the answer first, and then that answer should be converted again into kgs and grams. Make it fast. Are you doing, Shanmukha Priya? Ishasvi, are you doing? Arham, where is your picture? Ayan, also sit properly. Danesh, Trishul, Hansika, Harshini, all of you on your videos. Nehal, Advit, Rohin, David, Sanvi, Vignesh, Kavish. Anybody got the answer? Shrikar, completed? It's not looking clear. You cannot see it clearly. Yeah, okay, try it out. All of you once check your answer. See, I have told you an easier method to convert these kgs and grams into kgs, right? As 8 and 4 are under thousands place, write down like this: 84,410 grams. Directly you can write like this way, okay? And then 36, 216 grams. That means 36,216 grams. Now let us subtract grams. How many grams? Let us check by subtracting. Here, there is a need to take borrow. There is a need to take borrow. Here, 0 becomes 10 and 1 becomes 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. Here 0 remain. There is a need to take borrow again. 0 becomes 10 and 4 becomes 3. 10 minus 1 is 9 and 3 minus 2 is 1. There is a need to take borrow again. Here this becomes 14 and this 8 becomes 7. 14 minus 6 is how much, children? It's 8 and 7 minus 3 is 4. Did you all get the same answer, Arham? Did you get the
Yes,
same?
ma'am.
Did you get the same thing?
Yes.
How much? Tell me.
48,194.
Very good. 48,194 grams. When it is converted again into kgs, what is the answer? Tell me, Arham.
In grams will in kgs will be 48
Very good.
and in grams it will be 194.
Very good. 48 kg, 194 grams. Write down all of you. This borrowing part and all, don't get confused, children. You know how to do the subtractions, additions and all. You people should practice daily. Along with the multiplication tables, multiplication problems, division problems. When you are in other concept, don't be with the same concept always. These multiplication, addition, division and subtraction problems, take some problems by your own and do practice daily. Understood, children? Then only you'll do this accurately without wasting any time anywhere. Got it? Near borrow and all, some of you people are facing problematic. If we are taking much time to take borrow and simplify. Rohin, be in your place. Why you are muting your video? So try to practice daily some problems. Understood? I'll be asking you next day. Any two of the persons I'll be calling you people and I'll ask whether you people have completed the practice part or not. Then you have to show me in your practice book. One practice book have been allotted for practice work, right? In this practice book, daily you people should practice these any two addition problems, any two subtraction problems, any two multiplication problems, and any two division problems. Like that, daily you must practice 8 problems along with the classwork and homework parts. Understood? Then only you'll have a catch on it. You do easily. Next, C bit. Shall I give this as homework? I think you people can do it easily, okay? Tick that as H and let's move to the word problems. Open page 16. Group C. Question is, see, all the 3 bits are related to only one question here. The main question is, after I write this question, I make you people, any one of you, to read speedily. A speed reading must be done after I write the question. Get ready. Without stucking anywhere, with a proper pronunciation you people have to do, then only you will get good marks in this GA. Actually, this is the conducted as graded assessment. Okay. Has 26 kg, 300 grams apples, 9 kg, 400 grams grapes, and 5 kg, 500 grams strawberries, answer the following questions. Don't write anything. I'm writing down the which is already given there. Okay. Now, yes, Kavish, on your video, Kavish. Kavish, what happened? Abhignesh. Abhignesh, are you there? Okay, now I'll tell you to start reading the question. You have to start. Okay? Just a second. Give me a second.
Fruit seller has 26 kgs, 300 grams apples, 9 kg, 400 grams grapes, and 5 kg, 500 grams strawberries. Answer the following question. Find out the total weight of the fruit he has.
Okay, very good. Here. A fruit seller has 26 kg 300 grams apples, 9 kg 400 grams grapes, and 5 kg 500 grams strawberries. Answer the following questions. Find the total weight of the fruits he has. See, according to the values given here, first let us take down the steps. We have three informations here, right? So let us take down the three steps based on the amount weight of the fruits here. What is the weight of apples? Write down. Let us write down that first, okay? Let me move the page. Put side heading as solution. Write down the weight of, write in a small size, otherwise the place will not be sufficient again. Leave some space right side for calculation part. Weight of apples is 26 kg 300 grams. Next, weight of grapes. The weight of grapes. What is the weight of grapes here? 9 kg 400 grams. Yes, Yashasvi? Akshad and
Ma'am, I
Monica?
can't see. Ma'am, I can't see. What are you writing?
Nobody can see?
No, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am, that first question.
Now can you
Find
see?
it out. Yeah, ma'am.
Now,
Now
write down the solution. The weight of apples is equal to 26 kg 300 grams. The weight of grapes is equal 9 kg 400 grams. Next information about strawberries. The weight of the strawberries. What weight it is? 5 kg, 500 grams. 5 kg, 500 grams. Here, he is asking to find out the total weight of the fruits. Let us take down the conclusion step also. Total weight of the fruits is equal to, here we have to add 26 kg, 300 grams plus 9 kg, 400 grams plus 5 kg, 500 grams. Let us add all this. See how we used to add before by putting kg and grams as heading. The weight of apples is how much? 26 kg, 300 grams. Next, the weight of grapes is here only 9 kgs. So, you people should not write 9 under 2. It is totally wrong if you write like that. 9 must be under one's place of this 2 digits. 9 kg, 400 grams. And then 5 kg, 500 grams. Let's add them. 0, 0, 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So you can take 1 as carrying part over kgs place. Okay, near kgs. If you add them, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. Put 1 here and put 2 as carrying part. 2 plus 2 is 4. What remain? 41 kg. 200 grams. See, when you add all the grams here, you got more than 1 kg. Actually, you'll be getting 1200 grams. So, in 1200 grams, actually 1200 grams can be written as 1000 plus 200 grams. That 1000 is shifted to kgs place by converting it into kg. 41 kg, 200 grams. Akshad. Akshad, are you there?
Ma'am,
Read the answer now. Solution. Start reading.
the weight of apples
Fast.
equals to
Speed reading
26.
is necessary.
The weight of apples is equals to 26 kg, 300 grams. The weight of grapes 9 kg, 400 grams. The weight of strawberry 5 kg, 500 grams. Total weight of the fruits is equals to 26 kg plus 300 grams plus 9 kg, 400 plus 400 grams plus 5 kg, 500 grams.
Okay, if you add
Is
them,
equals
once look
to
at yes.
is equals to 41 kg, 200 grams.
Very good. So I should write here. What I should write here, children? Is equal to 41 kg,
200 grams.
100 grams.
Ma'am, I am in the weight of strawberries.
Still you are writing that. Okay, then you completed. Next remaining bits we'll do tomorrow, children. Make it fast.
Okay, ma'am.